In this video, you're going to learn how to get a free $100 Google Ads credit coupon inside of your Google Ads account so you can start running ads. I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem it and exactly where to go ahead and get it. So first off, we're going to go ahead and start off on GoDaddy.com. I know it sounds a little weird, but this is one of the places where we're actually going to be able to access this free coupon. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a brand new account. You guys should do the same exact process, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where it is. So I'm just going ahead, I click create account, and we're going to go through the process of creating everything. So just fill out this right here, and then we'll go to the next page. Great, so we just created our account, we set up our password, and we went ahead and made a PIN. And now once we do that, it's going to have you on the home screen, and if it doesn't, all you need to simply do is find the My Products tab and come to My Products, and then it will show you that you can go ahead and search for a new domain and that you have no products. So here's some coupons that they have for us. And then, oh, looky here, Google Ads, $100 Google Ads credit. Then we want to go ahead and click email coupon, okay? And all you're going to simply do is the email that you set up this GoDaddy account with, it's going to go ahead and get an email with the actual coupon code that we're going to need once we get into actual Google Ads account. So all you need to simply do is go into the email, right? And that's what we're going to do. And we're going to go ahead and copy that code. And as you guys can see right here, the email from GoDaddy is here. So we're just going to go inside of this email and actually copy the discount code. So here's the discount code. I'm just going to copy this right here. And basically, we're going to receive $100 credit when we spend $25. So basically, it's going to balance out to $75 free. So we're going to go ahead and go to our Google Ads account to apply this discount code. So that way, now we'll actually be able to use it. So we're going to go to ads.google.com, and we're going to end up on a page like this, and we're going to want to click Start Now if you don't already have the Google Ads account set up. We're going to click New Google Ads account, of course, and once we do this, it's going to allow us to select the email that we want. So guys, while you're setting up your actual Google Ads account, what you want to make sure is that you're not signed into any other Gmail account other than the email that you actually want to apply this Google Ads coupon to, because if you apply it to the wrong account, you're not going to be happy. So what I suggest doing is before you go to ads.google.com, sign out of all Gmails and then log into the one Gmail that you want to use for this coupon. Okay, so once you're signed in and then you go to ads.google.com and click the Start Now button, then you'll end up on a screen like this with the correct email, and then we're going to click Experienced with Google Ads. So all we're doing is we're basically skipping all the boring process and that Google tries to have you do when you first start an account. So that way we don't waste any money or have to run any test campaigns or anything like that. So we're just skipping that process. And then we're going to click this Create an Account Without a Campaign. So when you create an account, they try to get you to start out with creating a campaign. So that way you can automatically start, spending some money with them. So we have your billing country here, have your time zone, currency, then submit. And then you want to explore account right here. And then all you want to do to add the code is we're going to go here and go to, where do we go? I believe it's billing and payments. So we clicked on tools, then billings and payments. Wait for this to load for a little bit. Okay, so what we'll do is I'm going to go ahead and put in my payment information here. So I already put in my billing info, and I paused it just for security reasons. So now all we're going to do is, you should end up on a screen where it looks kind of similar to this. And if you're not, just click Tools, click Billing and Payments, and then click Settings. And once you click that, you want to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and then you want to do Manage Promotion Codes. And then all you want to do simply is paste that code here and then apply. And then once you go ahead and apply that, you'll have the free $100 inside of your account for you to be able to go ahead and run Google Ads for your website, for your business, and you'll be good to go from there. So that's the simple, easy tutorial of how to get your Google Ads $100 free credit coupon, and you'll actually be able to redeem it simply by following the step-by-step process that I showed you guys. So thank you guys so much. I hope this was valuable to you guys, and I hope you guys definitely check out the links down below if you are going to be using that free credit for e-commerce. And you're going to be running an e-commerce advertisement for your e-commerce business. Definitely check the link below and get inside the program, so that way we can show you exactly how to use the step-by-step process of running ads for Google and being profitable. So definitely check those links below. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. See you later. Peace.